walking up to the little store right there every other day this week because they sell wine and ice cream. It's 0.6 miles from the store to my campsite. And let me tell you, this hill is steep. You probably can't tell. I'm walking back down the hill, which is much easier than walking up. I'll show you. I have to stop at a little rock up here and rest on the way up because my heart rate it gets up to like 140, 144, 145, something like that. So I sit down and rest a little bit till it goes back down to like 125, give or take a few beats, and then I can make it the rest of the way. And it's a good workout, and it gives me extra steps every day. And the little rock is right here by the entrance to the yurt trail. There's little yurts up there, I guess. I see one in the woods up there anyway. There's my rock. That's my resting rock right there. Jane's butt was here. I should put that on there. Finally made it to the river. That's Kimmy and Shadow sitting by the river there. This is the Russian river. Do they raft on this river? She doesn't like the water. Hey, look, there's Shadow. What do you got in your mouth? A leaf. Shadow, you're so cute. Did you just come from the river?
No, we just walked around the other leash.
I'm gonna go down there and see if Chia will get the zoomies again. You wanna come with us? Or
No.
you done?
I need to start doing, I've been sitting on my ass for 3 days. I need to actually do some chores.
Yeah, I gotta clean my windows today. I'm waiting for it to warm up a little bit.
It's supposed to be hot today.
Yes. 81,
like,
I think.
Almost, I think it's supposed to be almost 90 today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like 87 or something like that.
Oh.
Let me go back and look. At least that's what it was a couple days ago when I looked.
Shadow never runs out of energy.
Well, it's 69 right now, and it's supposed to be 87 at 3.
Oh, I should turn my air conditioner to start.
So it'll be nice and cool. Yeah, let's go up there and do that.
Well, I'll wait. I'll do it when I get back.
Just as soon as you get back.
It won't be too late.
Yeah, but
okay.
when you come back, that'll be your first chore.
Yeah. Okay, what's in it?
Mine's already set up so that it'll go when I get to...
Well, I have the temperature set, but I didn't put it on air conditioner, so it won't come on.
I leave mine on AC all the time. But I normally have it set at 75.
That's what I set mine at too.
But right now, I put it down to 71 because I wanted it to be cool enough to counteract, because it's going to be, once you get to a certain level, you want it actually.
Yeah, it takes a long time to cool it down.
It's hard for it to actually keep up with it.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I'm in the shade, so that helps a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Shadow, you decide to take a break?
Yep.
Okay. Come on, Chia, let's go get the zoomies. We'll see you later. We're going to the river, remember? Remember the river? Remember that sandy beach? You had so much fun playing on it. Stay away from the edges of the path. I don't want you to get poison oak. Oh, you getting the zoomies again, huh? You getting the zoomies? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chia. Let's go down to the river. Let's go down to the river. Come on. Come on. Let's go this way. Are you having fun? Come on. Come back down this way. Come back down this way. Come on. Why do you want to go back up there? Let's go down here and look at the river. What is up there? That hot. Tickler was here, that hug would probably get her. Come on. Come on. Oh, the rocks aren't as fun to run on. The sand is more fun. This campground has a lot of hills, and I'm not used to this. Mommy is packing up because she's leaving today, so Chia and I are babysitting Shadow, and Shadow seems to like the little play area back here. Did you already eat your treat, Shadow? Yeah, you play with that toy. We're parked under the shade, and I don't know what these trees are called, but they have beautiful red bark. Well, that's under the bark, I guess. I don't know what you call that layer under the bark. I remember seeing these in Washington State. I will find out what they are called.